Mighty God, guess who planned to do a video today? Me. Don't say me don't wanna miss me. Me don't wanna miss me. Don't watch your face, me just wake. I wake up 5 o'clock this morning and prepare my brother breakfast in gas school, go back to sleep and now I still don't wanna sleep, so I'm gonna grab some sleep and come back. So yes, why me I try and make the video from morning, but me never have no strength, like the strength never there. So of course the video is pack my hospital bag with me. Hence is already packed, as me telling you before. One of the most watching my Q&A video. If you never watch that, stop this, go watch it and come back. So yes, I'm telling you before, it's already packed. I just needed a few things when I still not get. So y'all suggested that I should still do the video, and what me not get, I list it. Or what I think me need, I'm gonna get it. But yeah. So first things first is my basin, and the first thing in it is my, sorry for the lighting, my maternity pad. This is Nice Care maternity comfort sanitary napkins, and obviously I can't tell you which brand to use because I'm new here. Yes, I'm new here. It's my first time doing this shit. So yeah, you know, me pull it with my nose self to see what's inside and take out one of this and look on it. And to be honest, to me, it just looks like a overnight maxi pad because I don't see the difference, but I didn't say a maternity pad, my love. And in this basin, I put like things that I go want as I go in, or things that I need when I have to go down in my bag. And again, I don't have everything. So I have, oh, and please, I don't have one yet, but please, I beg you know, if a public hospital, even if I'm a public hospital, I don't have baby, please buy a lock or two and a key and put it on your bag, because them people here, well, I don't know for sure, but people thief. Them thief. Yeah. Anyways, I get one soap dish. There's a soap inside, but I want baby soap. Baby not gonna use soap in him hand, so I can't use it. Nothing wrong. Soap dish. Yeah. Next thing we have, basically a toiletries in another bag here. Well, most of my toiletries. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Do not leave this anywhere. Everywhere you go, you carry your toothbrush and your toothpaste. You could have got your 95 and one little toothbrush and one little toothpaste in your bag. Woman for always have them here, but yeah, you know you need this. I have 290 in this. The rest the in here, so Dove and hello, I know the real Dove, so no nobody come for me. Mighty God, yeah, that's all. Me have 2 rag. I think I could get one more because what if one drop or something? Yes, I have 2 rag and a baby oil. I'm not sure if I go carry this car. Yeah, but whatever, I just put it in there. As I said, it's my first time here. Yeah. Oh, and I go put Boy, I hope this can fit the baby and I'm big, you know. I hope baby, don't bigger here. Make sure you come so the pampers can fit you. Anyways, backside of 52 did in there. I think of 30 something. Anyways, I'm gonna put one of these in the bath. Boy, I have to go fix up this one. I don't talk to him. And I don't know if you can tell by now, but I love sit down on the ground. I love sit down on the ground. Oh, I have to go just back this one. So I'm gonna bring a suitcase and it still can't hold in there. Oh, please do not bring all your pampers to hospital. As I said before, teeth walk everywhere. Do not bring all of this go hospital. No, me know for sure me not gonna need them, and when me done at hospital, what am I doing in the bag? As me say, I'm new here. So me I go start over here, so. And I have another nightie. Some shit, how is my name again? Disposable breast pads, because I don't have baby yet and my breasts are leak, so I guarantee I'm not gonna need it. Well, I'm not sure, but I feel like I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna put it in there. I don't know if I'm going to use this, but for who don't know, this is what they use to clean the baby's mouth. I'm not sure if I'm going to need it, but better have it than don't have it. And 2 slips. Yeah. Me hate them here. When I got high school, they tell me say no tight slips. And I'm like, no tight slip? What slip for? But I did only wear it the first day of school. I did only wear orientation because me as a girl, I don't like slip. And I call up my auntie and I tell her I set me beg her some underpants, and that's what I wore. I don't wear tights and I don't wear slip. But this time, I have to go wear it. You know what? I'm going to pack up the bag meanwhile I talk to him, because I go buy 2 tights. I have one already. Go buy 2 tights. Because, you know, when I don't talk to him, I have to go through the struggle of packing the bag again. Yes. That's in here, so another little pocket over there, so I eat that. Whoa. Here again, we have few nightie. Yeah. Few nighties. And drop on the ground. This is a face towel my grandmother gave me, and I think she gave me 2 more. Yes, so face towel. Me now go in the order by what's for the baby and what's for me. You must have sense to pick out what for baby and what for me. I tell you, I don't have the strength for that right now. Right here, I have 1, 2, and these are 2 towels that can go around my body, barely go around my body, and I think she washed one yesterday. So, and by she I mean my grandmother. I don't know the straps, Lady Rose, my dear one, my everything. Yes, so 2 towels plus 1 more, that's 3. And Me mostly have things where if they mess up, bleach can go on them. Yeah, I'm not sure, but me have two something the sheets. Why they look you see I didn't even realize. Me have two sheets for my bed. Me say she have one Hello Kitty sheet. I did what she give me, you know. She give me two white sheets. And here, no, look here. As me say, I don't know how to do this YouTube thing, so no just bear with me. I have some Pinanda, although them say when the baby in the hospital, then don't wear the Pinanda because it's going to irritate the umbilical cord. But I still I bring it. The going home outfit is not in there as yet. I have all of them have socks, hat, and rag. All of these. I say when me did I pack my bag, I put when name dribbler babe in it. And my grandmother said when me I go with babe, if baby I go use babe. Like me did so excited to pack the bag. As me say, I'm new here. Me just start put one bag of foolishness in there. Well, enough. Oh, see ya. Enough foolishness, but I'm new here. I mean, oh, me need to put one of them in my basin. The ugly one. Me have 6. What is name again, man? Chemise, and you know my favorite one, it's gotta be the blue. I don't like the writing right here, so but it's gotta be the blue. I love me some blue. I love me. I already fall. I said don't trouble things that you can't fix it back, you know. But yes, I'm gonna put one of this in the basin. And you know what's the amount of Pinanda, aka ones is when I have in the park. A monkey suit. You don't want to see. My grandmother did buy 2 receivers, they know shit. I have 3. I have some old ones in here because when I go clinic, them tell me say when the baby born and then use it clean the baby, them I go throw with them. So we have to put the old way. Thank God I did have one baby because some can't get them here because why you wouldn't want to use when you use something and throw it away? Why? And yeah, me tell you, Pinanda and all of that. As me said, the going home outfit is not as yet in the bag, but yeah. So no want to be the same way, so I'm going to be the same way, right? Right. I can't believe me gonna have a baby, and it's like I pray nothing wrong with my grandmother and she go to the clinic because me now hold something was small. So you mad? Me? Me not think too fragile. No. Wrong somebody. It's when you take up things by your head. Yes, but yeah. This bag is not organized. Like, absolutely not. But well, it semi-organized because I know if I find everything. So not a problem with that. And yeah. I think I have something in the front. If not, this is the end of the video. I'm not sure yet though. I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Let me see that. And put a few in here because we're not carrying the whole pack to the hospital. Oh God. What a little something. And in our showroom, camera. The brand Pampers I use is, of course, Pampers. That's the way to go, okay? And the wipes too. So if you see miss something, just let me know in the comment section. I have some other things, but I just don't know where they are. Like alcohol, cotton. Me did buy one bed slippers, but me a hot girl, what me I do with that? A joke. I'm going to try and get a slipper that me can wear as my bed slippers, and the slippers when me wear go down there. So me want one Crocs because my feet are swollen. My feet, they are swollen, baby. And they can't go, not even bed slippers they can go in. So me I go try and get one Crocs, and yeah, hold that. But I'm gonna try and get one Crocs. Let me see how much Pampers this one. 2. So that's 8. I need some more. Boy, me tell you the truth, I feel like I go pack another bag. And if I go pack another bag, I go show them because me not done pack here that one is on the wall, so I have. And I don't feel like everything going in these. Let's get counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't know if I go on more. Because really and truly, I don't plan to live down at hospital. I'm here pray for a C-section. Because me is not a hospital girl. Every time I got hospital, I cut people them down there. Every time. And when they don't do me nothing, as I reach from the grounds, I start because I don't like hospital. I don't want to live down there. So I now pack up my bag to go live. I don't have to spend more than 24 or 48 hours. 72 hours max. Me is not a hospital girl. I don't like the hospital thing. I don't like the hospital thing. When I say in this now, when I say I have to go wash. So my granny, she buy one shirt, right? She buy pink things. Me don't know what kind of baby, she don't know what kind of baby. And me keep on tell her, so I feel like say, boy. She not buy nothing unisex, you know, she buy pink. But whether a boy or a girl them a go wear it, car money not go down the drain. And if anybody tell me nothing, you see. But I don't know, I'm a nice girl. What do you mean by I go wash them out and put it in there. I'm not think I have nothing else in a dish. No. Yeah. Now I love smell this, see? Yeah. So as I say, them here go wash out. Let me show you what in this one just end the video, cause I got long video like say I will leave things I have. Girl. I can put them here in my basin and put the rest in my bag. Them's a 2-pack, but I don't know. I want me have. One me have, my love. Alright. I'm gonna show you around here, so. Right about now. Let me show you now. So in here, so I have this gentle pillow, something for babies, but baby not sleep on pillow for now. But I am, however, bringing it to the hospital for me. Yeah, I know I said baby, but nothing wrong. I was once a baby too. Duh. What else? Oh no, don't got the people them hospital with no tight up baggy. You want some granule baggy, right? Yeah, some. Like God, what we used to call this in the high school. I don't even remember. But if me and you used to in a class and we used to trouble Shania and Kellyanne and Jada, what we used to call them now? Do not bring no tight up panty to the people them hospital and I go down there go look nobody. You don't want to sexy nothing. Yeah. You want a big baggy. A granny panty. Some granny panties here. These ones are new. They have the I don't know if I have to ban your belly or what. Yeah. Gurgle. And I have some of these that I have a long time, but I never wear them. Well, I'm fine used to them now. Fine used to them. There's a lotion in it as well. I don't know why now come out. And all of that. Yeah. Bring your lotion, bring your roll-on, bring a spray. You want to smell nice, you not look nobody, nothing for kill out. You know something gentle. Cause I get their own baby, your baby or other people's baby. So bring some lotion and all of that when you done bathe. Please bring your own soap. Don't go to the people them hospital go borrow soap. No go to the people them hospital go walk and borrow nothing at all, matter of fact. Nothing at all enough for your borrow. Yeah. What did I miss? Back with the mosquito there. So I don't have disposable bed sheets. Like bed sheet I can put on top of a bed sheet. That's if I mess up or anything. I asked my nurse, she said that I don't need to buy them because they are provided. But if I want to, I can buy it. I want Fleet. You know that's something they will clean out your body so you don't have the bowel movement. Yeah. Me need that because I don't want to show my baby to come out and catch him. No. No, I don't want that. What else will I have? If you want to see something that I don't have, please comment in the section because I'm new. The wipes. Next time I go on the road, I think that's tomorrow I'm gonna get the wipes. Yes, what may I forget though, God? Give me the knowledge. Give me the knowledge, Father God. I need some socks for myself. I hope hospital have fun because I when the night cold like down at Alaska. Me can't sleep without my fan, no. I have to sleep with my fan. And as I say, the going home outfit is not as yet in it. Mine was, but I took it out the other day because I decided to say that I want to come home now. I don't want to come home in that. And I have alcohol, I have cotton. I just not have it in the basin. And just feel free to comment what you see me don't have. And let me know your opinion. If you want, you can DM me and let me know your experience or anything, any advice, any little thing at Thea underscore D underscore female underscore Don on Instagram, and Sassy underscore Don 10 on TikTok. You will see come up. Anyways, feel free to comment, share, subscribe, press the like button, turn on the post notification to see when I post another video, and give me your suggestions because as I say, I'm new to this. You like me to know what to say. So just give me some suggestions, your feedback, all of that. You can leave it in the comment section, or if you have my number, or just DM me. And that's it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day or night or afternoon whenever you're watching this video. Bye.